The news in detail. In connection with the alleged murder of two non-tribals at Ichamati, the police arrested two KSU members on Monday night. Speaking to reporters, East Khasi Hills SP Rituraj Ravi informed that the police had made two arrests in connection with the incident. He also informed that both were produced in court on Tuesday and were remanded to 7 days of police custody. He also said that they were maintaining the highest security vigil to ensure no untoward incident would take place.
Pursuant to the two murders that took place under Shala place. Last night we made two arrests. Both were produced to court today and the court has granted to us 7 days of police custody. 30234 and further sections we will see as the investigation proceeds. One is Shri Shangolang Shati and the other one is Shri Musata 4 Skandal. Both 26 years old. Investigation is still going on. We are at the very initial stage of investigation, so investigation will go on into this case. Yes, the investigation in this case is at very initial stage and it will go on.